vitamins and minerals and nutrients na kailangan ng mga 40-year-old people like us. So, ano-ano ba yung mga vitamins and nutrients na to? So, let's start off with vitamin B12. B1 and B2, no? Naalala nyo, may B12. Another is calcium. So, nakukuha yan sa dairy products, no? And it's true, it plays a big role in maintaining bone health, especially later in life. Next is vitamin D. Now, especially after 40, it helps protect against the age-related changes na nagsisimulang mag-manifest. So, medyo big deal yun. So, sunod is magnesium. It's used to regulate blood pressure. Next is omega-3s. Now, narinig nyo siguro yung omega-3. So, sa tuna, fish oil, yan. Last but definitely not the least from our list is probiotics.